How to activate BMO Harris debit card. What is up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to look at a few methods that you can use to activate your BMO Harris debit card. So the first method is you can do a phone activation. You can call the BMO Harris card activation line with this number right here, or you could just go ahead and follow the instruction that's provided by the automated system. You could also call the number with the sticker that comes with your card. And the second step you can do is use your ATM. So go to in-store activation. You can go to any BMO Harris debit card or any ATM in store to make any purchase. You could make a simple transaction and your card will be automatically activated. Now the last step is to use mobile banking, or you could use the online app to activate your debit card. So the first thing you want to do is log into your application. Then go to the More section down below and then tap on Manage ATM or debit cards. And if you have more than one debit card, you will be able to choose which card you want to activate. Now select the card and then tap on Activate your card. Once you tap on it, just enter the security code from the back of your new card. Once you enter the code, tap on Continue, and you should be able to simply go ahead and activate your card right away. And as you can see here, your card has been activated successfully. You can set up a PIN if you want, and there you go. That's basically it, guys. That's how you activate your BMO Harris debit card. If you found this helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.